Hello, my name is Erwin Norris with PAI Manufacturing. I'm the plant manager of engineering here. Today we want to talk about one of our newest innovations that we're bringing into our shop in order to have more productivity on our vertical machining centers. What we've done is we've added a Mightyco pallet changer onto our equipment. What that allows us to do is it can machine the parts while an operator's on the other side and he's able to change it out on the other pallet. That way, as soon as the machining is finished on the one side, we can pull the pallets back out and start on the other one while the machining goes here. That gives us a lot more uptime on the spindle. In the old scenarios, what we would have had to do is we would have had to stop the machine, go in, change our part out, and then start it back up. So all that time when we're changing out the parts, that was dead time for the spindle. So you have lower productivity. With this, we get more uptime on the spindle, of course, and more productivity. We can do anything on this machine. A lot of the things what we're doing right now are like pump covers. It fits that real well, this size of the part. We're able to put it through the different things. We can put this on both fixtures or different parts on the two different ones and bring them inside and outside as we machine.
PAI, world tested, performance proven.